I have 1 year of technical support experience. It was MSP. Basically, it was just a call center. I was providing support for mobile applications,
Hmm.
device enrollment, a very basic. And in my technical specialist job, I'm also working on some projects and plus technical support as well for
Okay.
Windows and macOS.
And what was your past education?
I have done Bachelor in Computer Application, BCA.
And what is your status here?
I'm citizen.
So there are two pathways you can take.
And just want to let you know, I haven't worked with Microsoft technologies like Active Directory, Windows Server. I have learned them by my own from last 6 months. I have worked with Google Workspace most of the time.
Yeah, I was about to ask that. So in such case, going for cloud engineer would be a better option, not
Okay.
DevOps, not anything. Because if you go to the cloud engineer, we can leverage your past support experience as some cloud infrastructure support
Right.
that way. Then you can go into the industry as an experienced person, which can get you very good traction, and then you will be able to get the job faster. So which means you have to learn all the services, infrastructure services in the cloud, Azure, like virtual machines, app gateways, storage, networking. Generally, for people coming from support, going for cloud administration is ideally a good choice.